I'm betting nobody falls.
Yes, nobody falls. Everybody did.
Kyrie.
Okay.
Hold on.
Kapit, dalawang kamay.
Tatin! Scan!
No way, Kyrie. Well, I'm just taking you.
Ah!
Ayan na.
Ay! Ay, may smoke! Sarap.
Okay.
Okay, guys. It's working. Uy! It's working. Ay! Ah! Wow! This is so extreme.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Come on, come on. Mababaw pa, mababaw mo.
I can feel the fish.
No fish, no fish. Move back, move back. Come on. Come on. Right. Up. Ah. Step on me.
I'm on.
Step here.
I'm sorry.
Alright.
Oh, my balls.
Oh,
Yeah. It's on
pull yourself up.
Oh, wait.
Pull.
Ay.
Wait lang, one at a time. Okay. Kyrie, step on me. Step sa legs ko. Hawa ka dito.
Ay. Siguro ka na wearing glasses right now, ah.
You know, I was the last one to get off.
Hold.
Hold. Hold on tight. Takot na ako. This is extreme banana boating. Sorry. Ang sarap yung salt water. I'm sorry, bro.
Hold ah.
Hold on tight. We just witnessed what will happen. Oh my gosh. I did it!
Wait lang, Andrea. One at a time.
My shoe almost fell 2 times.
Yan, oh.
I thought you guys were... Huh?
Come, come.
Okay, no sharp turns now, no sharp turns.
No,
Yeah.
more, more.
It's more!
Here, here, here. Andrea.
Can I just ride with Kuya? Oh!
Wait lang, Kyrie.
Andrea, no. It won't be extreme. You asked for the extreme.
On the boat.
Yun ang hindi na kaya. Ito ang isa.
Ito nga ta, dito ka.
Ito na lang.
Bye-bye, Andrea!
Ikaw na lang mag-videos kanila.
I did it!
Alright.
Okay. Let's go.
It's safer with me.
Okay. Okay.
Andrea, I thought you would be with me.
Halika pa.
Ako sa likodan. Okay na ako dito?
Ito iba.
Oh, ay Kyrie, move ka.
Wow, Kyrie.
Gusto mo sa front? Ah, dyan ka? Doon, kapit ka doon. Okay, yan, kapit.
Come on, you can do it.
O, yan.
Hold on.
Sige.
Hi, Andrea. I'm scared. Oh. I'm doing it. I'm powerful.
In again.
Ayun, ganyan. Paa mo.
We both do this for extreme.
Okay, don't go down now that you got up.
I'm scared. I don't
Yes.
I don't wanna.
That's fine.
That's the part of extreme. Yeah, but this is. Wait,
Lakas naman si Kuya.
Whoa.
Wala na kayo, ako na lang dito.
Ay, Ketcha man. Ka na kagad.
What am I doing now?
It's okay, it's okay. Don't panic.
If you panic, then it will happen.
I wanna keep it going to my nose.
Last one na.
Last one.
Because we have to go. Now we have to go na.
Oo.
10:15 na. Because we have to go. Come on na. Tapos ano na? Bem, hold us.
Heidi, hold on, huh? Hold on, guys. Holding thing in the
Yeah, Andrea, let's go.
Kay, lubid Kay. Huwag kang ganyan Kay. Kay, huwag mo pasok yung paa mo sa lubid. Huwag mo ipasok yung paa mo sa lubid Kay. Kyrie, yung paa mo. Labas mo sa lubid.
Your left foot, Heidi. Your left
Kyrie, labas mo na, dali. Labas mo. Ba't mo kasi nilalagay sa lubid? Labas mo na, dali. Kaya mo? Then hold down there. Lilit muna tayo, Kyrie, oh. Labas mo yung paa mo sa lubid. Labas mo. Kyrie. Laba, dali. Hop. Wait lang. Oh, labas mo pag diretso niya. Pag diretso niya, labas mo. Oh, tapa ka sa babog. Labas mo, dali. Yan. Oh, atras ka, atras. Yee! Oh, ayun na. Okay na, tapos na. Ayun na. It's okay. It's okay.
Kylie! Brother! Kyrie! Kyrie! Hold on to my hand!
I'll go with Kuya na.
likod? Hang on to the rope, Kylie. Whoa!
Climb up. Pull yourself up.
Pull! 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 I got so scared for Kylie.
Hold ka na lang dito, liga, atakin kita. Atakin na tayo ni Kuya, tapos na yun. Babalik na tayo. Come on. Paddle, paddle.
Hold on to my hand,
Paddle,
brother!
paddle. Come on.
Brother!
Paddle.
Granny! Come to me, Granny.
Brother!
Come on.
Brother! Hold on, brother!
Here, sa akin, sa akin. Okay.
Oh!
Madun, tapak ka dun. Yan. Ah,
You
wait.
can do it, Kylie. Come on, spider!
Yan. Yung paa mo kasi lagi mo.
Does it taste good? Kylie, tell me what that smell. If you were here, then you would have tried.
Hirapan ka na nga eh. Huwag mo ilalagay yung paa mo kasi kapag kumilapit ka, mababanin ka ng paa.
Isa pa? Oh, biscuit.
Wala na, tapos na. Wala na tayo. Ayoko na rin. Natakot ako sa'yo. Hindi mo ano nung ginagawa. Okay na. Yeah, Bangkero.
Oh.
Bangkero Andrea.
I got 1 point.